Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to use this PVC cutter tool. Okay, as you can see on the table, I have this PVC cutter and the PVC pipe. Okay, now let's take it out from the box. Okay, and here is our PVC cutter. First of all, you need to take out the lock first, and then you can see here is the lock of the blade. So when you take this one out, so you can see this the blade is unlocked, and then you can just pressure it one by one. Okay, so you can see the lock will be going one by one to another level. So if you take out harder, it will unlock. So just press a little bit by little bit, and then the blade will go to the cutting point. Okay, and to cut the PVC pipe, first of all, you need to put the position of your cutter like this, and then unlock the blade. And after that, just put your PVC pipe to the middle of the blade for any point that you want to cut. So you can see, and then press it one by one. Okay, and you can see the blade now cutting through the PVC pipe. Okay, until the end point, you will see the PVC is now already cut out. You can see here the result is better than you just cut it by the saw. Here is I use another saw, another method to cut it. Here is the good example here. So when we use the saw to saw this area, you will have this have a bad result like this. So for a better result, I suggest to use this PVC cutting tool, and the price of it it's just under $10, and you can make your work faster and results better. So that is all for today's video of how you can use the PVC cutter tool. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.